Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 888, meaning and symbolism. The secret meaning of angel number 888, protection, guidance, and more. In the realm of spiritual numerology, certain numbers are believed to carry profound messages from the divine. Among these, the angel number 888 stands out as a symbol of abundance, balance, and spiritual alignment. Encountering this number repeatedly is often interpreted as a sign that the universe is communicating with you, offering guidance and reassurance on your life's journey. Understanding angel numbers. Angel numbers are sequences of numbers that are believed to convey messages from guardian angels or spiritual guides. These numbers often appear in everyday contexts, on clocks, license plates, receipts, or phone numbers, and are thought to provide insight, encouragement, or warnings. The repetition of a particular number, such as 888, amplifies its significance and suggests a strong message from the spiritual realm. The numerological significance of 888. In numerology, the number 8 is associated with abundance, power, and balance. It represents the infinite cycle of energy and the interconnectedness of the material and spiritual world. When the number 8 is tripled to form 888, its energies are magnified, indicating a powerful alignment with the universal flow of abundance and a strong connection to spiritual guidance. Spiritual meaning of angel number 888. Abundance and prosperity. One of the primary interpretations of angel number 888 is its association with abundance and prosperity. Seeing this number may indicate that financial success and material rewards are on the horizon, often as a result of your hard work and positive mindset. It serves as a reminder to remain open to receiving these blessings and to trust in the universe's provision. Balance between material and spiritual realms. Angel number 888 also emphasizes the importance of balance between the material and spiritual aspects of life. It encourages you to pursue your material goals without losing sight of your spiritual growth and inner peace. This balance ensures a harmonious and fulfilling life, grounded in both worldly success and spiritual enlightenment. Karmic rewards and life cycles. The number 888 is often seen as a sign of karmic rewards. It suggests that the positive actions and decisions you've made in the past are now coming back to you in the form of blessings and opportunities. This number also symbolizes the cyclical nature of life, reminding you that endings lead to new beginnings and that every phase of life has its purpose. Angel number 888 in love and relationship. In the context of love and relationships, angel number 888 signifies harmony, balance, and mutual growth. For those in a relationship, it may indicate a deepening bond and a period of mutual support and understanding. For singles, it could suggest that a meaningful and balanced relationship is on the horizon. This number encourages you to maintain open communication and to nurture your relationships with care and compassion. Angel number 888 and career. Professionally, seeing 888 may be a sign that your career is aligning with your life's purpose. It suggests that your efforts are being recognized and that opportunities for advancement and financial gain are forthcoming. This number encourages you to continue working diligently and to remain open to new possibilities that align with your goals and values. Responding to the appearance of 888. When you encounter angel number 888, consider the following actions. Reflect on your life balance. Assess whether you're maintaining a healthy balance between your material pursuits and spiritual well-being. How stuff works. Embrace abundance. Be open to receiving the abundance that the universe is offering and express gratitude for the blessings in your life. Trust in the process. Have faith that your efforts are leading you toward your goals, and remain patient as the universe works in your favor. Stay aligned with your values. Ensure that your actions and decisions are in harmony with your personal values and spiritual belief. Angel number 888 is a powerful symbol of abundance, balance, and spiritual alignment. Its appearance in your life is a message from the universe, encouraging you to trust in the flow of life and to remain open to the blessings that are coming your way. By embracing the guidance of this angel number, you can align your actions with your highest good and move forward with confidence and clarity on your spiritual journey. Conclusion: embracing the divine power and promise of angel number 888. The recurring presence of angel number 888 in your life is far more than a coincidence. It is a divine signature, an intentional message from the universe and your spiritual guides. It is a number steeped in deep symbolic resonance, embodying themes of abundance, karmic return, spiritual alignment, and the sacred balance between the material and ethereal. Throughout this essay, we have explored the multifaceted significance of 888, unraveling its implications across numerology, spiritual insight, love, relationships, personal purpose, and financial prosperity. It has become clear that this angel number is not just a lucky omen. It is a profound reminder of your personal power, the rewards of your soul's journey, and the cyclical rhythms of life. At its core, 888 is a number of infinite potential. Its shape, mirroring the infinity symbol, reinforces the idea that what you send out into the universe, your intentions, thoughts, actions, and energy, will return to you in equal measure. This is the law of divine reciprocity and karmic justice. When you see 888, the universe is saying, your efforts have not gone unnoticed. Your spiritual bank account is being filled. The seeds you have planted are ready for harvest. In terms of abundance, 888 does not solely refer to material wealth, though financial blessings may certainly be on their way. Rather, it encompasses a much broader, more holistic prosperity, joyful relationships, fulfilling purpose, spiritual growth, and emotional peace. It invites you to redefine abundance from a spiritual lens. Are you rich in gratitude? Are you full of wisdom, kindness, and compassion? These are currencies of the soul that the angels recognize and reward. Another cornerstone of 888's meaning is balance. The triple appearance of the number 8 calls you to align the three core areas of your existence: mind, body, and spirit. It is a gentle but firm prompt to reassess whether you are living harmoniously. Are your ambitions rooted in spiritual truth, or are you chasing success that leaves your soul empty? Are you giving to others as much as you receive? Are you allowing yourself rest as much as you strive? The angels use 888 to signal the importance of restoring equilibrium. When it comes to love and relationships, 888 is a nudge toward relationships that support your higher self. Whether romantic, platonic, or familial, your connections should echo the mutual energy exchange that 888 represent. It also tells you that healing and renewal are possible, that past relational karma is being resolved, and that you are deserving of soul-deep partnerships. In your career and life mission, angel number 888 often appears as a divine endorsement. It says, "You're on the right track." If you've been considering a shift towards something more aligned with your purpose, be it a new job, passion project, or creative endeavor, 888 encourages you to step forward boldly. Your angels are supporting you with energy, protection, and guidance. Doors may begin to open that were once closed. People may appear who are meant to uplift you. You are being divinely positioned for expansion. And most importantly, 888 reminds you to trust the divine timing of your life. All things unfold in seasons. If you've been in a season of sowing, the number 888 may herald a season of reaping. If you've faced trials, it may be a sign of restoration. Whatever your current path, the appearance of 888 affirms that the universe is conspiring for your good, even in moments of uncertainty. In closing, the angel number 888 is a sacred invitation. It calls you to step into a life of purposeful abundance, spiritual awareness, and energetic harmony. It reminds you that you are supported, guided, and protected by unseen forces that are constantly working in your favor. When you embrace this number with intention and gratitude, you open yourself to a higher level of consciousness, prosperity, and peace. So the next time you see 888, on a receipt, a license plate, a digital clock, or a phone number, pause. Take a breath. Smile. Acknowledge the message. Your angels are speaking. And the message is clear. You are blessed. You are guided. You are ready.